Hello everybody, welcome back to Bizarre Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have this BlazeCore diesel air car parking heater. Let's get this thing unboxed and check it out. Okay, and here is the diesel heater in all of its glory. Look at here, we have our filter here where we can enter in our fuel. The back here with our input there for the power and our exhaust. Here at the front, we have a nice screen here, settings, okay, power up and down. We have our remote for remote operation, on and off as well. And you get your little gauge here. Please add diesel. So make sure to add diesel fuel. That we will. We also have a manual here, which gives you everything you need to know to get this going, which is great. And our accessories, let's get that. Here's all the accessories that it comes with. Okay, here we have our exhaust silencer, exhaust pipe, air filter, air outlet pipe, AC to DC converter. That's your fixture accessories and your connection holder. And we have some of our connections here. Intake pipe, some more exhaust piping, and this exhaust. Now we assemble. Now let's go over some of its key features. This thing features 3 smart control options. You can choose between app control, LCD panel, or remote control, 32 feet, for ultimate flexibility and ease of use. It has dual high altitude mode as well, so you can automatically optimize the air-fuel ratio for steady heating even in thin mountain air. It's perfect for that off-grid travel and adventures. This thing also has indoor climate sensing, so it includes a 59-inch extension cable for indoor control panel installation. The intelligent temperature sensor adjusts the operation automatically to save fuel and maintain its comfort. Also has built-in safety protections, so features an overheat, short circuit, reverse connection, and over voltage protection for worry-free operation anywhere. Always vent exhaust outdoors to prevent buildup. So this device comes with this extension cord that connects to this screen. So this screen actually can detach and you can take it with you inside your house or wherever you want to keep warm and not have to go back outside to turn the device off, which is very nice. Gives you almost a remote access. There are 2 ways to power this device. One using your standard AC outlet that connects in this way, or you can power it with a battery, same thing in here, and put your prongs into, let's say, a battery to power the device. Now let's get the device powered on. Once again, you can power on 2 ways, using the AC adapter or plugging into a battery. I'm going to use the AC adapter. Next up, I'm going to remove the cap and make sure to fill with diesel only. Once again, diesel only fuel. It supports up to 5 liters. I'm going to be placing about a half a gallon inside just to get the device started. Now you'll go to the front screen and just press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you will hear the device power on. Okay, one more important thing to note is to make sure you give it 3 to 5 minutes to fully warm up and start blowing that warm air, and I'm telling you it will. The air that comes out of here is so clean, smells so good, and it is so warm. It's also 18% more efficient with the 2025 upgrade. The enhanced aluminum body boasts heating performance, warming spaces up to 256 square feet, up to 122 degrees or 50 degrees Celsius in just 3 minutes, and they are not playing. This thing is quiet. It heats up so well, and once again the air is also filtered coming out of it, so it smells so good. Doesn't smell like diesel fuel at all. And once again, you can use the remote operation by using the remote control or extending the display out as well. Temperature is fantastic. This thing is actually better than I thought. Now what we're going to do is increase the fan speed. So let's see here. Okay, we're gonna go all the way up to maximum heat and feel that. Wow, guys, this feels very good. And you don't gotta worry about the smell at all. This air is clean and filtered. The exhaust is what you want outside. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and set up a tent here in my shop, then zip this thing up, make sure it's nice and sealed. Then we're gonna go ahead and power the device on, and once again, wait 3 to 5 minutes to fully warm up. Let that thing start blowing some heat around in the tent, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on this product. This thing has completely heated my tent. It will work inside your cabin. Big areas and small areas, it does not matter. This thing is nice, it is quiet. You can turn the fan down from low to high, auto shut off as well. You have a little remote device too that you can use to turn it on and off. You also can extend the screen out all the way to wherever you need it. This is the device for you. You can use this in emergencies. Use this, take it with you camping, in a tent, or if your car. I think everyone should have this device just for emergency's sake. And it's very easy to store away and put right back into the box when we're done. So once again, that was the diesel heater. Get yours now. Very good price. See you on the next video.